Hello students, this is Nilofer Miss, your English teacher. Today we are going to move towards writing section. In that, we'll take first letter writing. If we see the letter, there are some parts of the letter. Two main parts of the letters are formal letters and informal letters. So in your exam, mostly formal letters are asked. So formal letters include business letters, official letters, applications, letter to editor of newspapers, letters of complaints, etc. These kind of letters which we are writing to the person which is unknown to us, which is not our family member, those letters are called formal letters. While informal letters we are writing to our mother, our father, our nephew, our brother, our friend. Okay, so these are the two main types of letters. Today we will see formal letters. While writing formal letters, you must be clear about the format. See the format of the letter, how it would be. First of all, you have to write down sender's address, and this you have to write left alignment. See, I have written over here sender's address. Then after leaving one line, you will write down the date. After that, address of the addressee, it means to whom you are writing the letter, that address will come. Then receiver's designation and address salutation. See, now here I have written the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. Then the subject will come, why you are writing the letter, that subject you have to keep here. Then either sir or madam. Then subject line to focus attention. What it would be? Body of the letter, how it would be. So first you have to give introduction, then you have to keep main content, and then the conclusion will come. Three parts are there in the letter. Then afterwards you will complimentary close you will give by thanking you, yours sincerely or faithfully or truly, and then sender's name, your name, designation if applicable. If it is needed that you are the clerk of some college and you are writing the letter, then designation will also come. So at last, name and designation. This is the format of the letter. This format you have to keep in mind while writing formal letter. So we'll see here one example of it. So the question is, Anand witnessed an accident near the school gate where a child fell down and was hurt very badly. Many people were standing around but did not know what to do. Finally, the child was carried to the hospital by a taxi driver. Anand felt the necessity to enable the students to render the first aid to the victim. He decides to write a letter to the editor of a local daily about the importance of knowing first aid. Write the letter on his behalf using your own ideas and the ideas from the unit Health and Medicine. So how will we start writing the letter? First of all, the address of senders will come here. CRX 45. Abhilasha Complex, Greater Kailash, New Delhi 42, April 17, 2011. This is only the way you have to write down the date, okay? Then the address to whom you are writing the letter. So we are writing to the editor. So first of all, the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. See, all these letters, first letter should be in straight line. That is the main thing you have to keep in mind while writing letter. Then leave one line and write down the subject why you are writing the letter. So importance of knowing first aid. As you are writing the sir, write down sir. Then our content will come, first introduction and then content. May I have the honor to draw the attention of the authorities and the people through the esteemed column of your newspaper about the importance of knowing the first aid. Today a child met an accident near the school gate. Many people were standing around but did not know what to do. Finally, the child was carried to the hospital by a taxi driver. The students should be made aware of primary steps of first aid at school. In the school curriculum, it should be included. Even competitions should be held to make them efficient at first aid. Now, next paragraph. At the same time, they should have their own mini first aid box at their home. The parents should encourage their children for this purpose. They should know what to do in such situations before the victim is carried to the hospital. At times, the first aid can be life-saving. The government and the concerned educational authorities should initiate a step towards this. See, very nicely he has written, he has kept his, whatever his thoughts were there, he has kept here. Okay, his demand he has kept that the first aid education should be kept in the education, and the government should be concerned about this. Then afterwards, formal thanking is given. Thank you, yours sincerely, Anand. As we are getting here the name in the question only, Anand is given, so that same name you will write here, you will not write down your name, okay. So this is the format of the letter, and like this only you have to write down. Make it in 2 paragraphs, not more than that. Try to complete it in 2 paragraphs, but not in one single paragraph, okay. Then all the things you have to keep in mind that it should be straight line, it should be neatly written, and the date, see April 17, 2011, like that you have to write down the date. Hope you understood it well. I am giving you homework also, and you have to solve that, you have to write down that letter in your own words. If you are having any doubt, you may call me. Thank you. Or else let us see one more example of the letter. See now, a newspaper reader is in Srinagar wants to write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper about the increasing awareness of health and diet. The table given below shows some changes from 1999 to 2009. Using the information together with your own ideas from the unit of health and medicine, write a letter in not more than 150 words. See in some of the letters, some questions, this kind of table is given, and with the use of that table you have to write the letter. Here we will write the letter for awareness of health and diet, okay. First of all, we will write down the address of the senders, then date, then the address of the person to whom we are sending the letter. It means the editor, the Tribune, Srinagar. What is the subject? Write the subject, then increasing awareness of health and diet. Then solution. See, sir, I write this letter to highlight the changes that are being observed in terms of awareness among people regarding health. Health seems to be quite on the top of people's priority list. See, this is the introduction. Okay, introduction of your subject, why you are writing the letter. This is the introduction. Now as the table is given, so you have to keep those datas in the letter. That's why only the data is given. To give a few examples, in 1999 there were only 5 yoga centers which doubled by 2009. As compared to 1999, the use of refined oil is increased by 3 times in 2009. There is a steep rise in the number of people going for morning walk. For example, from 5% to 25%. The number of people going for regular health checkup has also gone up considerably. Advertisements are also playing a major role. In 1999, it was 7% and now it has increased to 33%. As a result of all this, death rate has fallen from 15% to 11%. This shows that people's attitude and concern regarding their health has undergone a change. The dictum "health is wealth" is probably being understood as long as one lives. One should be healthy, hale and hearty is the motto. This has been boosted to health related business, showing an upward movement. If one is conscious about one's health, it definitely pays in long run. Through this letter, I want people to know that they should avail the facility available as well as go for regular morning walks to keep themselves healthy and hearty. Okay, here he is giving some introduction first, then he has kept the content he got from the table, and then his own advice he is giving to the people. This letter is written in the newspaper. Okay, that's why it is like that. Now for practice I am giving you one letter that you have to write down. See, the subject is you are a part of audience in a debate held in your school on technology, its effects on modern life. This set you thinking how the youth of today misuses technology. Write a letter in 150 words to the editor of a newspaper on the dangers of such misuse and how it can be controlled. Okay. Now if we talk about informal letters, as I told you, letters to friends, parents, relatives, okay, and acquaintances. In this letter, these letters are very simple. First of all, address will come, then date will come, then dear. Okay, here you will use dear because you are writing to the dear one. Then body of the letter, the yours lovingly, and then the name. One solved example is given over here. I will read it for you so you may understand it well. Imagine you are Raghav, a class 10 student of Army School, Agra, Kent. You are living as paying guest at 24D Sadar Bazaar, Idgah, Agra. Write a letter to your father telling him about the prize which you have won by standing first in the class chess competition during annual sports day declaration, the celebration. Okay. So first you will write down here the address. Address is already given in the question, you may see. If address and name is given, then you have to keep the same one, you can't change it. 24D Sadar Bazaar, Idgah, Agra. Then put on the date 15th April 2011. As you are writing this letter to your father, that is also given in the question to whom you will write the letter. Keep that thing in mind while reading the question. You have to understand to whom you are writing, who you are, and if address is given, that also. If the subject is properly given, then that also you have to keep in mind. See now, dear father, the annual sports day celebration was held on last Monday. Brigadier R.P. Singh presided over the function. Here you can write any of the name. You will be glad to know that I got the first prize by winning the inter-house chess competition. There were many prize winners. When I was called, the students and the teachers gave a loud applause. The chief guest, Brigadier R.P. Singh, gave me the prize and congratulated me. It was a very big moment for me. I wish you had been here. Convey my best regards to mom, brother and Ruchi. Okay. Yours lovingly, Raghav. Hope you understood now the difference between formal and informal letter. You are very much clear about the format of the letter. Try to write the letter in your notebook. If you are having any doubts, you may call me. Thank you.